Here is a bit of a rally car that we're working on, and just put this thing on. Yeah, I just put this mount, the thrust bar, what they call it, and we're responsible for putting in a new power plant, which is a 1776 that I did a while back, and it should be pretty nice. Round port. Got all of the off-road stuff like windage tray and windage tubes and all that stuff, so this should be a pretty fun upgrade. This guy was running on Cadron single ports, so now it will be on a dual port setup, and we're gonna clean up the engine bay and all that stuff. You should see the car up and running in a couple of weeks. Okay. All right, so we're ready to run this 1776. This is finally this car's got a motor. She's got the hard back in it, the hard transplant. It's been done, and now we gotta fire it up and break it in and go from there. The fan is going full tilt because it is 100 degrees. It is about 95 degrees outside, and inside it's a little better. This shop is not that bad to us. It's reasonably hot, but we're not melting. Just a couple different things we did to this one is we built a custom off-road breather box, right, Nick? It's baffled, and it's using the push-in German hose, so it makes it really accessible for you to replace the hose without having to go crazy. Anything that is non-high pressure doesn't really need AN fittings, in our opinion. This is just cleaner and lighter and a bit more accessible to replace or fix or address later on. And I think we are ready to fire it up. So I don't get yelled at by you guys online because I keep on moving the distributor and it's calling me retarded. We're just gonna show you like right here, right? So it's bottom dead center. It should be 1-4, so it should be 4 right here, and seems to be right there. So even if we put a little bit of timing to it, it'll be right here. So let's get it running. Battery in? All right, let's blow this dust off. We got some sheet metal dust. Oh, what the fuck? All right, I'm ready. All right, go again. Let's see.
Knocked the phone out of my hand on the turn right there. Rally bug that David built in 1776 for. Pretty
It's a
hot
68 right here.
one. Right. So it's a early 68.
We're gonna be doing wheel studs still.
Yeah, we gotta put longer studs on the rear.
Pretty much all around, even the front. I got the front ones here, but we need the back ones. We got pretty cool headlight grills. Hella cool.
NRG seats.
Can't hear you, what?
It's got the NRG seats and a little roll bar that somebody made.
Oh, there you go.
So that's not a roll bar.
Okay, okay. It's got a trigger shifter. So this was pretty much a long block swap, right? It was a single port 1600. Get rid of the single port manifolds, which are right here. And we put a set of the bug pack manifolds that are a bit lower than the empty ones. This fit a little better in the car. And I'm not sure if they make less power, but they flow pretty nice. They look very nice compared to the head. These are CNC round ported heads. We got it's a small cam. It's a mid-9s in compression ratio. And it's got very nice 501 heads. It's got a counterweighted 69 crank. It's got HP rods. It is intended to be abused, so it's got a lot of really nice bottom end pieces, got big springs, got all of the stuff that you would normally put in a much more higher horsepower engine. It has it, so it's overbuilt as far as the components go. It has a lot of really nice stuff inside, but with the intention of it just being more durable and rugged for the abuse. Got Nick's fabricated this beautiful breather box right here. This is the off-road special one. And obviously you can put it on anything. It's just a new design. What do you got to tell us about your new design, Nick?
I think this one...
the other one was more like my design, my suggestions. This one right here is all
This
him.
is a good street. And for looks, this one's just totally sealed with a replaceable filter on it. And it's just easy to clean out and all this stuff.
And the chambers are nice.
Does a better job of protecting the inside of your engine from dirt and debris.
But it's pretty cool.
Yeah, it's still baffled inside, so.
And we're still running those German hoses, which we like to run even with it. And it can be done with AM fittings as well, which is, on the breather stuff, we really don't like to put that on because it just makes it easier to go without. Would you like to run this engine, Nick? So we can hear it? Make sure it's in neutral so we don't run ourselves over. Sometimes do things like that around here. Okay, neutral. Well, there it is. There it is. This car is supposed to be racing, circle track style racing, which is new to me. It's got a lot of the windage stuff built into the engine, tubes, a tray in there. And this takes like one of those big oil filters that takes a whole quart, because we're not able to put a sump on this engine due to the ground clearance. And it mostly will have a few minutes of heat. It's like circle track racing. Hopefully we'll get to go check it out when the car's performing out there. But for now, I don't know much as far as how the racing event goes. All I know is that he was already competing with that tiny little motor, which is right here. And this is what he was using. And never underestimate the power of a little plug motor. But those 1600s are with their little single ports. They are nothing in comparison to this now. So we're looking forward to seeing homeboy out there running his car. And see you guys. Hopefully we get to put some of that footage in this video. And if not, just keep subscribe for maybe the next time on the next episode we are able to put something together. Later, Nick.
Subscribe to Volkstroke.